Welcome back to Quiz Elf. Think you know world festivals? Can you guess which country celebrates what? Try this 60-question ultimate festival quiz and see if you're a true world festival expert. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe Quiz Elf for more trivia and quizzes. Let's get started. Which country celebrates Teddy Day as part of Valentine's week? India. People gift cute teddy bears to show love and affection. National Foundation Day is celebrated in which country? Japan. It marks the legendary foundation of Japan and the first emperor. The Quebec Winter Carnival with ice sculptures happens in which country? Canada, one of the world's largest winter festivals. Mahashivaratri, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is celebrated in which country? India. Devotees fast, chant, and visit Shiva temples. The Chiang Mai Flower Festival, famous for colorful floats, is in which country? Thailand, a visual paradise with blooming flowers. Promise Day, part of Valentine's week, is celebrated in which country? India again. Lovers make sweet promises to each other. Chinese New Year is celebrated in which country as the most important festival? China. Dragons, fireworks, and red envelopes everywhere. The Carnival of Venice, famous for masks, is celebrated in which country? Italy. Mysterious masks and grand gondola parades. Diwali, the festival of lights, is celebrated in which country? India. Homes shine with lamps and fireworks light up the sky. Songkran Water Festival is celebrated in which country? Thailand. People splash water to welcome the Thai New Year. Did you know Thailand's Songkran is also the world's biggest water fight? Tourists and locals alike get soaked in cities and towns. Holi, the Festival of Colors, is celebrated in which country? India. People throw colored powders and celebrate joyfully. Oktoberfest, the famous beer festival, is held in which country? Germany. Millions enjoy traditional beer, sausages, and music. La Tomatina, a massive tomato fight, happens in which country? Spain. Imagine thousands of people throwing tons of tomatoes. The Cherry Blossom Festival is celebrated in which country? Japan. Parks turn pink with blooming sakura petals. Thanksgiving, a harvest festival, is most famously celebrated in which country? USA. Families gather for turkey and pumpkin pie. Easter Parade is mainly celebrated in which country? USA. Colorful costumes, decorated floats, and Easter eggs. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro with samba dancers is in which country? Brazil, a spectacular festival of music, dance, and costumes. Valentine's Day on February 14th is most popularly celebrated in which country? Worldwide, but its modern celebration started in Europe. Mid-Autumn Moon Festival with mooncakes is celebrated in which country? China. Families admire the full moon and enjoy sweet mooncakes. Diwali is also widely celebrated by Indian communities in which other country? New Zealand. Indian diaspora keeps the Festival of Lights alive. Did you know that Rio Carnival uses over 700,000 pounds of feathers, sequins, and glitter every year? Hanami, the cherry blossom viewing festival, is in which country? Japan. People picnic under pink sakura trees. Carnival of Venice is famous for what unique feature? Elegant masks and costumes cover the entire city. Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, is celebrated in which country? Mexico. Families honor their ancestors with colorful altars. Songkran marks the new year of which culture? Thai New Year. Get ready for epic water fights! White Nights Festival with ballet and opera is in which country? Russia. St. Petersburg shines with culture under endless summer nights. Carnival in Nice, featuring flower parades, is celebrated in which country? France. Colorful floats, music, and flowers everywhere. Krampusnacht, where scary creatures roam, is in which country? Austria. People dress as Krampus to scare naughty kids. Diwali is also called? The Festival of Lights. Homes, streets, and temples glow with lamps. Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. celebrates which country's gift? Japan. 3,000 cherry trees were gifted to the U.S. in 1912. Oktoberfest is mainly held in which city? Munich, Germany. Beer tents, traditional food, and fun rides. The Day of the Dead in Mexico features edible sugar skulls, marigolds, and even skeleton-themed toys. Gion Matsuri, a famous float festival, is celebrated in which country? Japan. Kyoto streets come alive with giant decorated floats. Mardi Gras with beads and parades is in which country? USA, especially famous in New Orleans. Apelia, the Viking Torch Festival, is in which country? UK. Scotland's Shetland Islands celebrate with fire and ships. Harbin Ice Festival, with massive ice sculptures, is in which country? Our China. Ice castles, slides, and sculptures amaze visitors. Gion Matsuri floats often depict what? Ancient legends and mythical characters, colorful and huge. Bastille Day celebrating revolution is in which country? France. Fireworks, parades, and national pride. Holy powder fights symbolize what? The victory of good over evil and the joy of spring. Chiang Rai Balloon Fiesta is in which country? Thailand. Hot air balloons fill the sky in magical colors. Diwali celebrations include which traditional food? Sweets like ladoos, barfis, and jalebis. Valentine's Week. Chocolate Day is celebrated in which country? In India, lovers gift chocolates to each other. Harbin Ice Festival uses over 180,000 cubic meters of ice, bigger than 20 Olympic swimming pools. Rothenburg Christmas Market is in which country? At Germany. Fairy tale-like stalls and festive treats. Navaratri, the 9-night dance festival, is in which country? India. People celebrate goddess Durga with dance and music. Venice Carnival masks are usually made from what? Papier-mâché and decorated with gold, feathers, and gems. Quebec Winter Carnival features which unusual sport? Ice canoeing. Brave teams paddle on frozen rivers. Christmas markets with mulled wine are common in which region? Germany and Austria. Cozy winter charm with lights and treats. Gion Matsuri floats are called what in Japanese? Yamaboko. Huge, beautifully decorated parade floats. Diwali symbolizes what? Triumph of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. Halloween originated in which country? Ireland. From Celtic festival Samhain with costumes and bonfires. Cherry Blossom Festival in Korea is known as? Achine Kunangje Festival. Streets filled with pink flowers. Songkran Water Festival marks which calendar event? Thai New Year! Everyone splashes water for good luck. Diwali includes which firework tradition? Bursting sparklers, rockets, and crackers to celebrate joy. Carnival in Brazil uses which traditional dance? Samba. Colorful, rhythmic, and full of energy. Oktoberfest music is mostly what genre? Traditional Bavarian folk music with brass bands. La Tomatina Festival in Spain is held in which town? Buñol. Thousands of tomatoes fly through the streets. Hanami means what in Japanese? Flower viewing. People admire cherry blossoms. Up heli a participants dress as. Vikings, complete with helmets, shields, and torches. Day of the Dead includes which colorful element? Marigolds, symbolizing the path for spirits. Rothenburg Christmas Market specialty food is? Stollen, a traditional German fruit bread with powdered sugar. Mahashivaratri devotees often stay awake all night doing what? Chanting Shiva mantras and offering prayers. Quebec Winter Carnival also features which fun ride? Ice slides. People slide down giant icy hills. Fun fact, the Rio Carnival Samba Parade can take over 8 hours, with 70,000 performers in dazzling costumes. Did you ace all 60 World Festival questions? Comment your score below, smash that like, and subscribe. For more viral quizzes every week, share with friends and see who knows the most about festivals around the world.